So here's how to fix Valorant can't sign in. Sorry, we're having trouble signing you in right now. Please try again later. Error. First, what you can do is right click on Windows icon, go to network connections and click Ethernet. And in here, click on edit IPv4 DNS. Now, if you're using Wi-Fi, you want to click on the Wi-Fi network you're using, which is pretty much the same. In here, you want to enable IPv4, set the DNS settings to manual, and then use this preferred DNS 8.8.8.8, and for the alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. Click on save. Now you can close this. Next, you want to right click on Windows icon again, click on run, and in here you want to type percent local updata percent, press OK. And in here you want to look for Valorant folder. Now if you find Valorant folder in here, right click on it and click delete. Now once you delete the folder, you can close this. Next, you want to try to right click on the Valorant icon and then try to run it as administrator. And if it still does not work for you, what you can do is try to temporarily disable Windows firewall settings or permanently disable it if you want to. Now you can open Windows menu and then search for Defender or Firewall and Protection Settings. Click on it. And in here, if you want, you can disable all of these temporarily, the private and the public and the domain network, to test the game if it works. Otherwise, you can click on allow an app through firewall and click on change settings and make sure there is Valorant added in here. Now, if you don't see it, you can click allow another app and then browse and navigate to Valorant install or valorant.exe. Then you can click add and check public and private sections in here. Now you can click OK, close this. You should also add the Valorant client to the firewall settings by going to firewall again. And then in the same list, you should click allow an app through firewall and then add a Riot client in here, browse to it. Usually you find it in C and then Riot Games, Riot Client, and then you click on Riot Client Services, open it, then click Add, and in here you want to make sure private and public are checked for both. Now you can close this. Next, you want to right-click Windows icon and open the Terminal as admin or CMD as admin command line. And in here you want to type this command, ipconfig space / release. And next, we want to run this command again, ipconfig space / renew, and then ipconfig space / flush DNS, and then ipconfig / register DNS, press enter, and wait for it to finish the operation. Now you can simply close this and try to reboot your PC before opening Valorant, and that should fix your problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.